Welcome to WebStylePress. You can get latest Microsoft Excel for free, legally and from Microsoft. Open web browser, type excel.cloud.microsoft. Hit enter. And here is free Excel from Microsoft. Searching for free Excel online in Google will also take you to this page. See this, free Excel online. It will also take you to this page. Click here. To use it for free, you will need to sign in by using your Hotmail or Outlook email address. You can create an Excel file using templates, or you can create a blank document. It has got all the new and exciting features of Microsoft Excel. After you create the document, you can save the copy or download a copy to your computer. This web-based Excel version is not behind desktop version. In fact, it's got some new features that are not yet in desktop version. So you will be the first to try these features in web-based version before they appear in desktop version. It's got some limitations though. It depends completely on internet access. It's got limited file compatibility. It lacks some advanced features needed for complex tasks. It also has some file size restrictions. But I use this online all the time and these limitations are no issue for me. If you prefer to download full desktop version of Office including Excel, you can search for Office 365 Education. If you are a student or educator, you can download Microsoft Office for free by using this offer. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.